Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Favor Kings and I am back again with a new gift for you guys. And also we got a few testimonies from people who have been able to claim their $10 no deposit bonus from the previous video I made. So if you haven't claimed yours, the bonus is still very much available. All you just have to do is go to my previous video and watch the video to the end, where I show step-by-step process on how you can get the $10 no deposit bonus to start trading with. And so before I continue to show you the gift I have, all you just have to do right now is like this video, share this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on your notification button so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so the name of the broker we are going to be working with is called Inzo Markets. So all you just have to do is go to the comment section under this video. You are going to find a link there. Click on the link and then it's going to take you to a page like this. All you just have to do right now is that click on open real account. You click on open real account right here where this arrow is being drawn. So you click on it and wait for it to load. It's going to take you to a page like this. All you just have to do is fill the form, fill every single one of them, where you enter your name, your surname, your email, your password, and your phone number, your country. You change the country right there where you input your phone number, and after that you have to click on open account. You have to agree to all these terms, and after agreeing to them you click on open account. So after that they are going to send you a verification email. So you go to your Gmail to confirm the email. Okay, so you go to your Gmail to confirm the email. Alright guys, so this is how the email they are going to send to you. This is how it's going to look. All you just have to do is click on the confirmation URL rather. You click on it, click on confirmation URL, then it's going to take you to a place where you are going to log in. So you click on this purple color, you click on it. So you have to input your password that you used to register, your email that you used to register. So after that you wait for it to load. Alright, so after logging in, this is the page it's going to take you to, and after taking you here you click on upload personal file. After that it's going to take you to a page like this where you upload your means of identification, your proof of address, and your bank statement. So after that you're going to get a verification email from them that you've been verified, and the email is going to come along with your login details into your MT5 account where you start trading with the no deposit bonus. Okay, all right, so after the verification you have to send a message to their support. It's either you send it through their site or you send it to them through email. So you send it to them that you've completed your KYC registration and you are waiting for their no deposit bonus. Okay, so after sending it to them, when they receive your email or your message to their support, they are going to credit you with the $30 no deposit bonus so that you can start trading with it. So after you've gotten the bonus, all you just have to do is log into your MT5 or MT4 account and start trading with it. So this is the end of this video, and I hope you are able to claim yours. And if you are not able to claim yours, just tell me in the comment section so that I can attend to you. And also don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also don't forget to hit your notification button so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online. Thank you so much for watching.